Do this again.
Yeah.
You like that? You like recording videos of me?
Our kids are You're a fucking prick. I'm gonna beat this shit. Stop. Leave the kids up. Seriously. You're a fucking
It's funny to prank Aaron, isn't it?
I fucking hate you stupid idiot.
Love you.
I fucking hate you.
Come on, give me a kiss.
No. Stop. You're gonna wake the fucking kids up, you fucking faggot. I'm gonna kick you in the balls. Get away.
Hey, I'm sorry. There's no hair left in it anyway.
Yeah, there is. Give me the fucking...
Ah!
You won't.